Okay, today we're going to be changing an inserted blade, the teeth in a 25-inch blade. I have Christian here helping me. He's actually been doing the majority of the work. He's going to take the bit wrench and install it. Our blade is upside down right now because that's how you're going to see it in your mill. So he's going to take the bit wrench and install it with the top side facing upward. Line the hole with the inserted tool. Drop the long side of the shank into the bit wrench and into the shank of the blade. Now he's going to be lightly tapping and prying the blade out, the tooth out. The tooth and the shank all out at once. There, he's got everything out now. Now he's going to lay it down on the table. Yep. Now, when reinstalling it, he's going to take some oil that we use at our shop. It's either hydraulic oil or motor oil, whatever you have on hand. He's going to coat some inside the groove and slowly insert the shank back in. And then the tooth also to follow behind it. Slowly start it into there. Then proceed with the bit wrench back into the original position. Drop it back so the long part is through the shank. You're not all the way down. You're not all the way down. Okay, and slowly force it back in. Tap it in lightly. Pull it out now. Till you're flush on the top here. There. There, you've done one.